Hi everyone, welcome back to our tutorial series. Today, we are diving into how to configure the grading for your courses in Blended platform. Configuring the grading system is crucial as it defines what your learners can expect from your course and how their final grades will be calculated. Before we get started, make sure you have a clear view of how you wish to grade your learners, how many assignments you will have, and so on. First, select the course you want to work with. By this point, you should already have at least your course outline set up. Next, we will go to the grading page. Select Settings in the header menu and then choose Grading. The first thing is to determine your overall grade range. This is the grade your learners need to pass the course and earn a certificate. By default, it is set to 50% or higher to pass the course, and under 50% is a fail. If you want more than just a pass or fail, click on the plus sign to add additional grade ranges. You can adjust the grade range limit to fit your needs and hover over a grade range to remove it if necessary. For example, if I want my learners to achieve at least 95% to pass, I can set this here. You can also adjust the grace period on deadlines and also set deadlines for assignments in each individual graded subsections on the course outline. Next, we can configure all the different assignment types and their parameters. Blended offers various types of quizzes and teacher-graded assignments, so feel free to get creative. By default, you will see homework, lab, midterm, and final exam. For now, I'm going to delete all the default types and start from scratch. I will create 2 quizzes that will account for 20% of the final grade and 1 final exam that will count for 80%. To set this up, I will select New Assignment Type. I will name it Quiz and set the abbreviation as Quiz. The weight of the total grade will be 20% and the total number is 2 because there will be 2 quizzes. If you want to incorporate advanced grading, you can use the number of droppable feature. This removes the lowest graded assignments when calculating the final grade. For now, I will leave this at 0. Next, I will add my final exam. I will give it the abbreviation final and set the weight to 80%. Now, all the assignment together equals 100%. When configuring your grading, always ensure that the combination of the weights of all assignments equals 100%. Now, click on Save. Now, to determine which subsection will be your quizzes and which will be your final exam, let's go back to the outline. Now, let's expand all the sections. Select the configuration icon of the subsection you want to grade. Choose Grade as Quiz, then click Save. Repeat this for the other subsections also. Finally, configure the subsection you want to grade as final exam. And that's how you configure the grading of your course in Blended. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please reach out to our support team. Thank you for watching.